Hi, I'm Bob Swirsel.
And I love the outdoors, especially when I'm riding a bicycle. My videos include bike route guides, history rides, bike events, travel videos, and personal videos that sometimes include my cats. I grew up in the Washington, D.C. area and moved to the Seattle area in 2017. I love to explore places around me and learn stories from the people living there. I hope you enjoy my videos, feel inspired to go out and explore the world,
And maybe even join me for a ride. Let's go!